So once you found your design that you want to share to social media and you want it to be scheduled, you're simply going to go to the top right corner, then select share. Afterwards, at the bottom, look for something which says see all. After selecting see all, scroll down a bit and then look for a heading which says social. And then next to that, you're going to select see all. And this is going to show you the different social media platforms where you can post your specific design. We have Facebook page, Facebook story, and so on. So please bear in mind, in order for you to be able to share a post on a specific social media platform on a specific date, you are going to need the pro version of Canva to be able to do so. If you don't have the pro version, then it will not work. So I'm going to use Twitter, for example, and then I can choose to send this through an MP4, GIF, or a PNG. So where it says what's happening, I'm going to say on. So if you go to the bottom here in the left corner, it's going to say schedule to publish later. So here you can choose a date in which you want this post to be published onto that specific social media platform. Then you can also choose the time. Then once you're done, go to the bottom and then select done. Now we have two options. We could either save it as draft or schedule. So once you've decided that you want to schedule it, you go select schedule. And then it's going to say preparing your design. Then it's going to say your design is scheduled. So now we have two options here to either make a copy or view the content planner. So if you decide to make a copy, it's going to allow you to make a copy of your post so that you can post it to another social media website. So if we select content planner, it's going to give you a calendar and it's going to show you which posts are going to be submitted on which specific social media platform. So if I scroll down, here is Twitter and I select it. So this is my video. As you can see here, this blue part at the top here says that this post is scheduled. Then you can also make some changes here if you want to, and then you can also change it from an MP4 video to an image. Then you can also switch accounts from here, and at the bottom you can save it as a draft. And there you go.